How to join the official Blox Fruit server on Discord. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to help how to join the official Blox Fruit server on Discord. Watch the video till the end. Now without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Open a web browser on your device if you are on PC. Now click the search bar at top of the screen and type in discord.com. Press enter on the keyboard, then you'll land on this official interface of Discord. Click the open Discord button and sign into your account. And then you will enter on this home page of Discord. So in order to add or join the official Blox Fruit server on Discord, click the plus button to add a server at the top left corner of the screen. Here, click join a server button. As we don't have the invite link, click don't have an invite button. And here you can easily find our community on Discord. Click on Explore Community button. And here you need to type for the Blox Fruit and press enter on the keyboard. So here are different kinds of results we found on this community section. You can easily select the particular Blox Fruit server. Suppose if I want to join this Blox Fruits Training Center, click on it to open it. Once it loads, you need to go through all the server rules. And then either you can also switch between different kinds of server. Suppose let's go back again. If I want to join this Blox Fruits trading server, you can easily open it. And here you will get the join button to join on the server of Blox Fruits. Click on join button. And after a while, you will easily join on the official Blox Fruit server on Discord without any invitations link as well. But make sure that you follow all the terms and conditions on here. So currently we do not have the permission to send messages on this channel. Once your request has been accepted, then you can easily message on this channel as well. So that's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.